All right, hey guys. Meaningful games in November, right? That kind of mentality, that mindset, our physical brand of football right now. One play at a time and be you. Be you. Be special. That's you.
And we welcome you here to State Farm Stadium here in Glendale, Arizona. Jeff, huge win last week for the Jaguars, and they have a chance to build on that today.
Yeah, I thought that was by far their most complete victory against the Chargers, and that sets a standard, and that standard is playing fast, physical, smart, and eliminating the mistakes. But the challenge now is consistency in meeting that standard, and good teams find a way to meet the challenge on a weekly basis.
I already know what to do today, but I'm confident. Put it on tape again. Do that again. Go play in, play out. Communicate. Drive well. Come on, let's hit. So I stand up.
Man, that's the play, coach. It looks like the old